What's in store for today? It's a vectors question. It's got a diagram. Let me just give it a quick sketch and we'll get started. Alright, got my sketch. We are given that AB is equal to 2i plus 3j plus k. AB is the vector from A to B. I'm going to personally write it as a vector, where the top number represents the I, middle j, and bottom k. Similarly, B to C is I minus 9j plus 3k. I'm going to write that as 1 for I, minus 9 for j, and 3 for k. Notice we don't have the third side of the triangle. Let's find that. How do you get from A to C? There's no way that we can go this way. So we have to go around the houses via AB and BC. And that's exactly what we'll do. AC will be AB plus BC. So 2, 3, 1 plus 1 minus 9, 3, which is 3 minus 6, 4. Let's draw that in the diagram. And what we're actually looking for, we're looking for the angle back, which is just here. I'm going to give it a name, like alpha. In this triangle, we just have the vectors for AB, BC, and AC. There are no side lengths, so that's going to be our next goal. What is the size or the magnitude of the vector AB? The way we're going to do that is we're going to do a big square root of all the components of the vector squared and added together, like this. In this case, we're going to get the square root, 4 plus 9 plus 1, or the square root of 14. Let's do a similar thing for BC. What's the magnitude of BC? Well, it's going to be the square root of the components squared and added, which will be 1 plus 81 plus 9, or 91. Let's do it again for AC. Square root, 3 squared, minus 6 squared, and 4 squared, which is 9, 36, and 16, which is root 61. What we're going to do now we've got these side lengths. Let me draw another diagram and we'll see. We've got 3 sides and 1 angle. This is going to be the cosine rule. You happy with the cosine rule? A squared, b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. Remembering that the a's, they're the ones that are opposite each other in the diagram. So what we're going to have root 91 squared, that's a squared. B and c, doesn't matter, either way round, whichever way round you like. I'll go root 14 squared and then root 61 squared. Minus 2. B is root 14 and C root 61. Again, can be the other way around because of A, but A I've called alpha. Let's get squaring. 91 is 14 plus 61 minus 2 times root 14 root 61 cos alpha. If we add these two together, we'll get this. And if we bring the 2 root 14 root 61 cos alpha onto the other side, remember this is all one term, then we're going to get minus 16. We can then divide by this, not by that, divide by that, and therefore, again, what we're actually looking for, angle back is equal to our alpha, which is the inverse cos of this nasty expression, which is equal to, give me a moment, drum roll please, 105.9, at least when it's rounded to one decimal place, like this. All done, that's 5 marks. Well, there you have it, another question done. How did you find it? Here are 2 more questions if you want a bit more practice.